Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Hello friends, Miss Kate here with Painted Kids, and I've got another fun drawing that I haven't done in a really long time. I'm trying to think the last time I did a ladybug. It's been forever. So we are doing a ladybug, and to start our ladybug, I am starting with Sharpie on paper, but you guys can work on paper or canvas, whatever you have at home. And I would recommend starting with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. I like working with Sharpie just because I feel like it's a little easier for you guys to see on the videos. So to start our ladybug, it's gonna be a little ladybug that's kind of like crawling around on the ground. It's not flying. So I'm gonna draw the head is just gonna be like a circle or an oval, like this, and it's kind of towards the side of your paper or your canvas. I like it to be towards the side because I like the body to be over here in the middle. So after I have the ladybug's head, I'm gonna go ahead and add on the ladybug's face. So the ladybug is gonna have two round eyes, like this. And I like to add little sparkles in my eyes and then color them in the rest of the way with black. These are my cutie eyes. So just like that. So we've got two super cute eyes. You guys can add eyelashes or eyebrows to your eyes if you want, get fancy. I'm gonna move on to the nose though. So the nose, and I don't know if ladybugs have noses, but I'm gonna just do like a little curve like that to indicate a little nose. And then I'm gonna make my ladybug happy. So it's gonna have a smile, but yours could be talking or laughing. You could do your mouth a little differently if you'd like to. Now, I don't know if ladybugs actually have hair, but I kind of like to do my ladybugs heads with like kind of like the same way, that I draw penguin's hair. So if you want to do your ladybug with hair like I do mine, I'm gonna start at the side of the face over kind of close to the eye like this. And I'm gonna jump over one eye, and then I'm gonna jump over the other eye and go over to the other side of the face. And then the ladybug's hair, I'm just gonna do it black. So I'm gonna kind of like color this in like this. And again, this is extra, guys. You don't have to get the ladybug hair. I just think it's like a really cute detail to add to the ladybug's face. So that's why I put this little like bump line on here. The other thing that I like to draw with ladybugs is I like to draw some long curly antennas going straight up like that. Super cute. So this is our little ladybug's face. And now we need our ladybug's body. So the ladybug's body is actually really easy, guys. We're gonna start kind of close to the top of the head, like not right in the middle necessarily, but like a little to the side. And we're gonna go jump like that. And then after we have this jump, then I'm gonna draw a line that goes kind of straight across. And then I kind of look at where I think that this line would go. And I think it would probably come out like right here maybe. So I'm gonna go ahead. And that's gonna be our ladybug's body. So it's just kind of like a half circle. And the head is kind of attached to this side of it. So the other thing I like to do with this is I like to add lots of polka dots. So I'm gonna start adding some black polka dots like this. And you can make them like, they don't all have to be the same size. You can make them kind of like different sizes if you want, big or small, doesn't really matter. But a ladybug isn't a ladybug until you give her her spots. So we gotta put our spots on here, like this. Maybe one more. Yeah, I think that's good. All right, the other thing our ladybug needs is little bug feet. So to get her little bug feet, I'm just gonna do like little pointy feet like this. And I usually do like maybe like 4 or 5 or 6, and it doesn't really matter because some of them might be on the other side of her body. You may not see them. I think I'm gonna do 5. Okay, so that's her little bug feet. And they're not like super long because ladybugs don't have long legs. They're not like spiders. They're kind of close to the ground. So there's her little legs. And then I am ready to start coloring. So after you have your ladybug's little feet on, I'm gonna go ahead and get my red. That's the most important color for a ladybug.
I've got my red, and I'm working with colored pencil today. You guys can work with paint or crayons or markers or whatever you've got at home. So I am starting with my red colored pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and color in between all of these spots. And I guess if you wanted to, you can make your ladybug a different color. Like I know at our house, we sometimes will see like kind of like orangish, goldish colored ladybugs. So you don't have to make it red. It could really, and you know what, you could even be kind of creative with like doing like maybe rainbow colored butterfly. Like maybe it has different colors here. You know, it doesn't, I would say you have to put on the polka dots though, but like this background color could really be any color that you want, but if you want it to really look like a ladybug, you're gonna make it red. So I'm not pushing very hard just because I'm working fast, but you guys work slow and really get this red on here good. So just to show you what I'm talking about, if I'm pushing hard with my red colored pencil, it's gonna be a lot brighter. So I'm trying to do this kind of fast, so it may not be as bright if I were slowing down. Like it would be brighter if I were slowing down and like really pushing hard. So I've got this red on here. And then the face, I like to make the face like a really, really, really light, like yellow or gold color. So I'm gonna take, this is kind of like a yellow orange, or if you just have a yellow or a cream color, I just like, and I'm not pushing hard at all, I just like to put a little color on the face. So it's not like a lot of color. It's a very, very soft color. And if you wanted to, you could always leave this part white too. And then also another thing is you guys can put this ladybug wherever you want. So you can make the background really interesting too. Maybe she's on a flower or on a leaf, or maybe she's in your backyard. You can draw your house. There's so many things you can do with the background too. So here I've got my little yellow on the face, and with a lot of my cute, cute, cute animals, I like to add some rosy cheeks. So I'm gonna grab my pink. And if you guys are painting this at home, to make pink is just red and white. Super easy, mix a little red and white together. You got some pink for your rosy cheeks. All right, there you have it. There's our cute little ladybug. And I am so glad you joined me today for our drawing. I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. We are still releasing videos every day at 1 p.m.